Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to add audio to Google Slides on your mobile phone through Google Slides official app, whether it is Android or iOS. These steps follow for both of the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to add audio to your presentation. Now, let's get started with the video. First, open your Google Slides app and open the presentation where you want to add the audio in. Simply open it, and after that, click on Edit Slides and click on the three dots over here, and you can add your voices or audios as you want. From here, simply click on here and add anything as you want. These are the comments. We don't need that right now, but you can do this by using speaker notes over here. But Google Slides on iOS doesn't allow direct uploads from a device, so you need to upload your file to Drive first, and once you have uploaded your file to Drive, you can insert it to your Google Slides as you want. You can move or resize the audio icon wherever you want on your slide, and that's it. Now you can add audio to make your presentations more engaging. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Google Slide tips, and comment below what type of audio you'd like to add to your slides next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.